Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to reset the oil light in a Honda CR-V. We are currently in my 2017 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show you the easy process for resetting the oil life in the car, okay? Now, although this is my 2017 Honda CR-V, this will work on the other Honda CR-Vs that are of the same model. So let's get right into the video tutorial. As you can see, we're on the infotainment system over here, and this is actually the home screen. So this is actually, if you hit the home button over here, you're going to get to this screen, the home button. So this is what the home screen looks like. Now from here, what you want to do, and I'll try and hold the camera nice and steady. From here, what you want to do is go into the settings. So once you're in settings, you actually want to go into the vehicle settings. You have all of these settings that you can adjust right here. And you can adjust them for each driver, which is actually really cool. Certain things can be for driver 1, certain things can be for driver 2, depending on the key fob. But as you can see right here, we're going to go into vehicle. And for the vehicle, you'll notice there are a whole bunch of settings right here. You want to scroll down. You can see shows that I'm the driver 2 key fob, which is very convenient. You want to scroll down, and right towards the bottom, you're going to see maintenance info. So when you click maintenance info, it's going to tell you. So right now, the oil life is at 30%, okay? And when I have to go to do this service, I'm gonna have to do a code 0, which is oil and filter, and I'm gonna have to do a code 7, which is brake fluid, okay? Very simple. And if you bring it to the dealership, they're gonna know exactly what to do. But if you are doing your maintenance yourself, or you wanna reset your oil life and your maintenance minder yourself, it's very simple. You just hit this button right here, and it says select reset items. When you hit that, you can choose which items you want to reset, or you can reset all of them. So obviously, if I did my oil and filter change, and if I did my brake fluid maintenance, then I would actually just go and select all of them. But if I, let's say, only did my oil and filter today, I could reset just the oil and filter and just do my brake fluid another day. It's an easy way for you to keep track of what you've done. But I'm not going to reset it because I didn't do any of these yet. But you would click select reset items, and then you would choose which ones you want to reset. And that would actually just reset the oil life as well. Like, you could choose to reset the oil life as well, saying that you changed the oil. And that's basically it. Then whenever you're done, you just go back to the home menu. We can go back if you want. You can continue going back to the menus, or you can just go back to the home. But I'm just going to go back all the way, and we're back at the home menu. And that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.